come on. Brody, they jumped. That dog's gonna make racket. Thought I saw a tail right over there in the woods. Could have been a dog. Could have been a dog. Watch that way. I'm gonna hold this side. Okay, watch that way now. Stay right there, Brody. Watch. Watch out. Hey, dog down the road. Dog's down the road. Go down. Briggs, no. Stay with me. Come on, we're gonna watch this back door over here, Briggs. Come on. Brody's saying they jumped over here too. That was fun. That deer come right through this little section right here. This little peninsula kind of came this way, looped around, and went back that way to the creek. Brody's down there watching the creek. I don't know what he's telling me. That was pretty exciting. Started off, it was just a couple of deer. Excuse me. Started off, it was just a couple of dogs. And now another 3 or 4 have joined in. I had one in my box from earlier. I turned that dog loose on this deer to help out. Put a little pressure on it. Now it sounds like the deer has confused the dogs somehow. They'll do that. A deer will lay down and let dogs run right by them. Especially an old buck or an old doe. An older deer will do that. So this deer probably came right up to us, checked us, and went the other way. They're smart, especially deer that get run by dogs a lot. They know what the deal is. Especially an older deer, they have to make a pretty bad mistake to get deleted by one of us. Hey baby, come on. Come on. You bring that dog over here. So a stander on the power lines just shot just beyond this peninsula right here, headed towards the creek is what the deer did. Crossed the creek. About another 500 yards is a big giant power line that crosses, and the deer crossed the power line and the stander shot at him. We don't know if the deer, if he got the deer or not. The dogs are still running. I don't know if he got the deer. Doesn't sound like it at the moment. Yeah, they're running really hard over here. Actually sounds like they're looping back our way. The dogs have turned around and are coming right back to us. Come on, Briggs. Come here. Stand right here by me. Hey, you stand right here behind me. Yep, there you go, just like that. They're putting some good pressure on him right now. He's crossed. Hey Briggs, hey, go to the truck. Hey, Briggs, go sit on the tailgate for me, okay? The deer crossed, got into here, and I don't think he's come across this road yet. All right, give y'all the replay of what happened here. So at some point, a deer crossed down here. There's a pipe that goes across the road because this is a creek. Deer crossed over here, went out and around, he came through here. We never saw him. We kind of skirted this road right here and looped back around and went out to the power line. Missed him, and he circled back around and crossed right around this corner from us. There's a stander somewhere over here. He crossed over here and then went this way and then out that direction. Kind of crazy path this deer took.